Hello everybody, welcome. Now, new playlist starting today and I'm really looking forward to this one. Hello Fresh. Everybody raves about Hello Fresh recipes. So let's cook some. See what they're like. Now, Hello Fresh, I suppose they use all the top quality ingredients and that. I don't know, I've never had it. But I'm going to do it my style, budget style. I'm going to see what it comes out like. So today I'm going to be doing this. I don't know if you can see that on there. Tandoori chicken and sweet potato loaded naan. That's what I'm going to do. Preparation time is 45 minutes. Medium difficulty. It's 900 calories, so it's quite high in calories. But Hello Fresh, they all come pre-packed on it, so I suppose it's a lot easier where I've got to chop it up and everything. But we're going to do it anyway. For the laugh. We'll see what it comes out like. So let me show you what we're going to do. Right, this is all my ingredients, everything I need. Apart from I need a little drop of sugar, apparently it says. I don't know where to start here. Right, the sweet potatoes. I'm doing this for 4 people. This is all the ingredients for 4 people. I don't know if you can see this on my phone. It's a bit awkward. I'll tell you as we go along anyway. It says we need 2 sweet potatoes for 4 people. I'm not doing 2 because only me likes sweet potatoes. I'm just going to do 1 for me. But the gist is get 2 potatoes for 4 people. You want 560 grams of diced chicken. That's 600 grams, so that's good enough. It says sachets. Now I don't know what the sachets are at Hello Fresh, so I'm going to class a tablespoon for each person. That's what I'm going to class. So 2 sachets will be 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. That's what I'm going to do. 4 tomatoes, some mint, 4 plain naans. I've got them from Aldi. Some sweet gem lettuce. Some natural yogurt, tandoori mix, curry powder, and I can't get away from him. Look, that's the only one they had up Tesco. Look at him, he's everywhere, and some of that. So, first things first, it says, I mean it's a good little app, because it tells you all the steps. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees, so I'll do that first. Right, it says, 2 sachets of this, which I'm going to put 4 tablespoons in, into a bowl. So get 4 of them in. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's going to be too much or what, but we'll find out. 4 of them. Now we want 350 ml of yoghurt all together, but we don't want it all in here at the same time. It says a third. I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to play it by ear. This is a 400 ml, so that'll about do. It's only to coat the chicken in. A pinch of salt and pepper. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then the chicken. So the chicken's not the best. I suppose it, Hello Fresh is a lot better. This is a bit. Stick it all in. I should have dried it really in that, but it's just going in. I learn by my mistakes. And wash my hands and mix together. That's looking nice. Right, it says set that aside so that can go over there for a minute. Right, it says next step is get your potato, sweet potato. I'm just going to cut the ends off. I'll give it a quick wash. It says don't peel it. And chop it into chips. Right, chopped. Now they've got to go on a baking tray now. Put on a baking tray. Just burnt my bloody hand on the tray. Say a drop of oil and salt and pepper to taste. I'm getting told off by Anne that to move it across a bit so you can see I can't. A bit of oil in. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. And these have got to go in for 30 minutes. Cover them all up, use my hands. I'm not scared, I would burn myself anyway. My hands are clean. Right, 30 minutes, top of the oven. Right, next step, tomato puree. I want 4 tablespoons of this. It's only half a tablespoon that one, so you're getting an 8 of these. 1, 2, 8, which is 4 tablespoons. And now I want 4 tablespoons of our Jamie stuff again. Can't get rid of him. Korma curry paste, that is. 1, 2 of them. Did I say 2? What did I say? No, 4. There's 2 sachets in it. 3, 4. I don't know whether that's going to be too much. And a little pinch of sugar. I don't know whether I want a bit of sugar in there, I suppose, but that's what it says. Then set that aside. Next step, cut these into little squares. But I've got a tool for that now, because I bought one. I've got a food chopper. I've got one of these, haven't I? Let's have a go with this. Well, it cuts the tomato, but it doesn't have to make a mess. So put them in a bowl, but I'm just going to keep them in there. So I'm getting another bowl out. I'll clean up. Well, I'll put the tomatoes to the side. They're done. I've washed that back up. Now the whole cucumber. Whole cucumber. What are you laughing at? Can't get it off. I'm going to get that in my tool. Chop. Bit of tomato there, look. Ain't washed that very well, have I? Right, cucumber's done. I've chopped up the lettuce. So I'm going to get that into a bowl. Put that in first because you ain't going to see. Too much room, not enough room. Cucumber in. And I need my mint now. Chop a bunch of mint up. We've got the mint. There's quite a lot here. I've probably done a lot too much, but rest of the yoghurt now. Obviously not all of this is a 400ml, so I don't want all of it. That'll about do. The mint, half the mint, it says. And mix. So I've only been, what, half an hour. I've got to do the chicken in a minute. Right, I've got a large frying pan on for the chicken. A little bit of oil in the bottom. You want it on medium high, it says. When that warms up, we'll get the chicken in for about 10 minutes and we're virtually done. Right, it's a bit warm now. I'm going to stick the chicken in. Don't splash on me. What do you say, Bob? It smells delicious, doesn't it? Doesn't that smell nice? It smells really, really nice. It really does. I'm just mixing this up. It does smell nice. It smells very tasty. It smells yellow. Mix that up. That's got to go on the naan breads. Like a pizza base, I suppose. Spread it over and say leave a gap around the edge. I suppose that's where you hold it. I suppose how much you put on is how much you how spicy it's going to be, I suppose, or something, I don't know. There's one. Right, I've done all them, all 4. They've got to go in the oven for 5 minutes. And then the chips will be done. The chips are virtually done anyway. And the chicken's looking delicious. And it smells, doesn't it, Bab? Oh, gorgeous. Right, chicken's done. And it smells gorgeous, honestly. Yum yum, I'm going to take that off. Right, I'm going to dish up now. Right, I cocked up. I wasn't supposed to put the lettuce in there. It's supposed to just been cucumber. But it's in there now. It's supposed to put some lettuce on the bottom there. But never mind. Right, I'm going to get some chicken on. That's me not reading the instructions properly. But it's still going to taste delicious. I know it is. Chicken. I'm the only one having. You don't like sweet potato, do you, Bab?
No, I don't.
So I'm the only one having sweet potato. I'm going to stick some of this on with the lettuce. I have got the other two there, but I'm not doing all them. And I want some tomato on top. A little spoon. Just to get that refreshing bit there. Right, that's what it looks supposed to look like. And that's what mine looks like. So I'm not too far off, am I? Apart from I messed up with the lettuce. And that took me 52 minutes. And that's with me cutting everything and going through the instructions. So 45 minutes ain't bad, is it? Once you get used to how to do it. But now, it's all in the taste. So let's give it a taste test. Doesn't that look nice? Oh yes. Oh yes. Mine and Nat's. We're going to eat it now. Ain't we, Bab? You're coming on to eat it?
Yeah.
Come and show me your haircut.
No.
You've had it all done. There she is, the beauty. And yeah.
No.
How are you going to eat this? You're going to stick it, pick it up and stick it in your gob?
I'm just going to give it common.
You're going to
Open.
Open. You're wide enough. Get it in. You ain't going to have to get nothing.
Oh. Pig.
What do you think? I haven't even tried it yet. Is that nice?
So, how is it? You try it.
Mine's got chips on it, so. Ugh. There's mine with the chips.
Just stick it in. It's yummy.
That's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, put yours on a plate.
Thank you.
You can go and eat it if you want, Bob. That is stunning. Now, for all the ingredients, it all cost me altogether £11.20. Well, there's loads of ingredients left. I mean, I've got all the spuds left for another recipe. I wasn't supposed to use all the lettuce, but I did. I got tomatoes, I got the curry powder and paste. And it works out about, for 4 people, what's that? Under £3 a meal. Now Eat Fresh were charging for 4 people, I think it was. 4 people for 4 meals, was it? Or something like that. For 68 quid or something. For the week or something like that. I'll have to check it out again. But, for the money, cheap budget, Eat Fresh meals. I'm going to be doing quite a lot of these. Because I'm sick of them school dinner ones. I want something that tastes nice and budget friendly. And it took me just a little bit longer than 45. But that was getting everything prepared and doing everything. Well, there you go. I'm going to go and eat tonight before it gets cold. So I am the old food guy. If you do want to see more Eat Fresh, Hello Fresh, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Right, quick one at the end. We've just ate all that. Absolutely delicious. One little criticism. The paste at the bottom of the naan, just a little bit too much. But that's down to me with the seasoning, because it says sachets and I don't know what the sachet size is. So if you do Hello Fresh and you know what size the sachets are, let me know. But apart from that, gorgeous. I've got loads left. I've got to do another 2 easy. So another couple of pita breads. Do another 2 so I can get 6 out of that. But there we go at the end. Try it. It's really nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, wasn't it? See you later. Bye bye.